Mga kaibigan, everything on this earth, no, it is a balance. Why? We don't have enough, or we don't have enough strength and power to suppress everything. But I do not like to say everything about it. Because life, according to the Bible, there must be a purpose. There is a purpose why we are here. Why we feel the hurt of those serious mentality people, the one who serve the country. It is our privilege. It is not the privilege coming from heaven. It is not. It is the privilege when the society or the people of that society was given to be entrusted to leading or to guide us, because life is always good life. There is a war because of the why the war being created, why the war being ignited, because of the life. Because of the pretentious persons to be more brilliant, more knowledgeable one. Because more lying and more lies in life, the life becomes so evident. The things that we think, it's become unhealthy. It's become not good to us. But there is a good mentality of the people, the one who willing to be served the whole life of the country. So I hoping so much it is my message to all the Filipino citizens of this country. Please protect our country. Please protect our boundaries and territories. Please love our government. Please love our flag. Please love the ordinary Filipino citizens of this country. Please love the farmers. Please love the poor. Please love the ordinary and the sacrificial poor. Please love the money of to be entrusted in our heart, to be entrusted in our mind, in our heart, and in our heart. Please understand the law. Please understand the procedure and the due process of it. Please understand the needs of the country. Please understand the future of the young generation. Please, I hoping so much to all of us to be with us, that this country will bring into the most highest and the most respectful citizens of the universe. Please do not corrupt the money of the ordinary Filipino citizens of this country. I hoping so much with that, mga kaibigan. So there is a lot of people they do not understand. I hoping so much that all of you will understand of that. Maybe this life, like what happened My mother-in-law is so strong, but the life comes to an end. Do not make or do not do it that you are living of this universe because of the bad things. You live it here for the good things to the younger or the young generations from us. Please help us. Please understand. Thank you so much.